You know, horse language isn't all just body talk. They have vocal vibes too. Chip is very upset that his friend isn't in his stall, as you can hear by his louder, distraught neighing. And in this next clip, this horse has a loud squeal. There's a new horse in the stall behind her, and she isn't sure what she thinks. She's saying, "This space is mine." Then we have this horse. She's doing some snorting, and that's for the same reason that the other horse was squealing. There's a new horse behind her, and she isn't so sure she likes it. That snort, it means something's not right. And you can see too from the tension she's carrying in her body. You're looking at her body language. She's just not sure that she likes what's going on yet. Those knickers you just heard, that's Chip welcoming home his neighbor Rico. Thank God. He says, "Thank God you're finally back in your stall."